In today's fast-paced world, healthcare payers need to stay ahead of the curve. That's where Latitude comes in. We provide data, AI, and collaboration solutions for healthcare payers, empowering meaningful outcomes across the member journey. With Latitude, you can deliver exceptional member experiences. Our solutions enhance member engagement, allowing you to reach and interact with members effectively to increase loyalty, retention, and branding. But that's not all. Latitude also empowers team collaboration and productivity by providing solutions that streamline communication, automate workflows, and improve access to information. And when it comes to claims and operational insights, Latitude has you covered. We unite data silos and apply advanced analytics and AI to reveal actionable insights to help make better, faster claims and operational decisions. Latitude enables AI and automation in healthcare payers. From automating claims processing to creating world-class contact centers, self-service channels, and support services for member enrollment, onboarding, member inquiries, and proactive communication. We streamline and automate shared support services that include IT, finance, HR, and legal. Choose Latitude for your healthcare payer needs and empower meaningful outcomes across the member journey.